Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English Learning Podcast. My name is Emily.
Hello, Emily. Hello, everyone. My name is Nike.
Hi, Nike. How are you today?
I am good, thank you. How are you?
I'm great, thank you. Today, we will learn some easy English together.
Yay! I'm excited to learn.
Wonderful. Let's start with greetings.
Okay,
When you meet someone, you can say hello. Can you say it?
hello.
Very good. You can also say hi.
Hi.
Great. Hello and hi are both friendly greetings.
Hello and hi. Got it.
Now, when you meet someone in the morning, you can say good morning.
Good morning.
In the afternoon, you say good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
At night, you say good evening.
Good evening.
Perfect. Let's practice again. I will say the time of day and you say the greeting. Ready?
Ready.
Morning.
Good morning.
Afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Evening.
Good evening.
Excellent.
Thank you, Emily.
You're welcome. Now, when you leave, you can say goodbye or see you.
Goodbye. See you.
Nice. Now, let's learn how to introduce ourselves.
Okay.
When you meet someone new, you can say, "My name is Emily."
My name is Nike.
Perfect. You can also ask, "What is your name?"
What is your name?
My name is Emily.
Hello, Emily.
Hello, Nike. It's nice to meet you.
It's nice to meet you too.
Wonderful. Let's say it again together. It's nice to meet you.
It's nice to meet you.
Great job.
Thank you.
You're learning very fast. Now let's learn numbers.
Oh, good. I like numbers.
Let's start from 1 to 10. Listen and repeat after me. Ready?
Ready.
1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5,
5,
6,
6,
7,
7,
8,
8,
9,
9,
10.
10.
Very good. Let's say them all together now.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Excellent, Nike. And great job to our listeners, too.
Yay!
Now, let's count some things. How many apples do we have? Let's say 1 apple,
1 apple,
2 apples,
2 apples,
3 apples.
3 apples.
That's right. Numbers help us count things.
I like counting.
Me too. Now let's learn the days of the week.
Okay.
There are 7 days in a week. Repeat after me.
Okay.
Monday,
Monday,
Tuesday,
Tuesday,
Wednesday,
Wednesday,
Thursday,
Thursday,
Friday,
Friday,
Saturday,
Saturday,
Sunday.
Sunday.
Great job. Let's say them all together.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Excellent. Now, which day is your favorite, Nike?
My favorite day is Friday
Oh, Friday. Why do you like Friday?
because the weekend is coming.
Me too. The weekend is fun. Saturday and Sunday are weekend days.
Yes. Saturday and Sunday.
What do you do on weekends, Nike?
I like to rest. I also like to watch movies.
Nice. You can say, I like to rest and I like to watch movies.
I like to rest. I like to watch movies.
Very good.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Now, let's learn some common objects.
Okay.
Look around your room. What do you see?
I see a chair.
Great. A chair. I see a table.
A table.
I see a book.
A book.
I see a pen.
A pen.
Wonderful. Let's say them again together.
Chair, table, book, pen.
Yes, these are common objects.
Common objects.
Can you name one object you like?
I like my book.
Good. You can say, I like my book.
I like my book.
Excellent.
Thank you.
Now, let's learn about food.
Yay! I love food.
Me too. Let's start with some easy words. Listen and repeat.
Okay.
Bread,
Bread,
rice,
rice,
egg,
egg,
apple,
apple,
banana,
banana,
orange,
orange,
chicken,
chicken,
fish.
fish.
Perfect. Let's say them together now.
Bread, rice, egg, apple, banana, orange, chicken, fish.
Well done. Which one do you like best, Nike?
I like bananas.
Nice. You can say, I like bananas.
I like bananas.
Very good.
What about you, Emily?
I like apples.
You like apples.
Yes, I do.
Great.
Now, let's learn about drinks and beverages.
Okay.
Listen and repeat.
Water,
Water,
milk,
milk,
juice,
juice,
tea,
tea,
coffee.
coffee. Excellent. Let's say them all together.
Water, milk, juice, tea, coffee.
Wonderful. What do you like to drink in the morning?
I like to drink tea in the morning.
Perfect sentence. You can also say, I drink tea every morning.
I drink tea every morning.
Great. What do you drink at night?
I drink water at night.
That's good. Water is healthy.
Yes, it is.
Listeners, can you say, I drink water?
I drink water.
Excellent.
Thank you.
Now, let's talk about simple daily activities.
Okay.
Every day we do many things. We wake up, we eat, we work, we sleep. Let's practice.
Yes.
I wake up in the morning.
I wake up in the morning.
I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
I eat breakfast.
I eat breakfast.
I go to work.
I go to work.
I eat lunch.
I eat lunch.
I come home.
I come home.
I eat dinner.
I eat dinner.
I go to sleep.
I go to sleep.
Excellent. Let's say them together slowly.
I wake up. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast. I go to work. I eat lunch. I come home. I eat dinner. I go to sleep.
Wonderful. That's a full day.
Yes, I do these things every day.
Very nice. You can say, "This is my daily routine."
This is my daily routine.
Perfect.
Thank you, Emily.
You're very welcome. Let's practice questions and answers now.
Okay,
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat bread and eggs.
Great. What do you drink for breakfast?
I drink milk.
Wonderful. What day is it today?
Today is Monday.
Nice. What day comes after Monday?
Tuesday.
Yes, you are doing amazing.
Thank you.
Now, let's play a little game. I will say a number and you say the next number.
Okay.
1,
2,
3,
4,
5,
6,
7,
8,
9.
10.
Perfect.
That was fun.
I'm glad. Let's also practice greetings one more time.
Okay.
Hello.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Excellent.
Thank you, Emily.
You're doing great, Nike. And I hope our listeners are saying the words too.
Yes, everyone, say it with us.
Let's do one more fun review. I'll say a word and you say what it is. Ready?
Ready.
Apple.
Food.
Cup.
Object.
Coffee.
Drink.
Monday.
Day of the week.
10.
Number.
Very good. You remember everything.
Yay!
Now, let's review together slowly. We learned greetings. Hello. Hi.
Thank you, Emily. I learned a lot. Thank you for teaching me. Yes, practice every day. That's true. I will. Goodbye, Emily. See you next time. Yes, learning English is fun. Bye-bye.